Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we will be doing the concept of pointer to object. Now, this is a very interesting concept. Over here, when we are talking about creating a class and creating the object of class, now what we will do, we will be accessing the object using pointer. How? We have a class, right? We have written a variable int a. In public section, I'm just using void take, right? And I'm accessing c in a, and I'm displaying the value of a, c out a, right? And that's it. In the main, what I will do is I'll create the object of class a followed by obj. Similarly, I'll create a pointer p, right? Now, why I did create a pointer p? P is just a pointer that points to any variable of class. Pointer does not have a data type, remember, right? So it will point to any object of the class or any variable of the class. So I'm writing p. P is storing the address of obj. So whatever obj has, p will store the address of it. Now, earlier what I used to do write obj dot take. This was the earlier part that we wanted to access the member function, but now we are going to access it using pointer variable. How we can do it? There are two ways. First way is that I can write, because obj is referred by p. So if I want to access anything using pointer variable, we use dereferencing variable. We will write star of p dot take. This is one way of doing so. How this works out, because we all know if p stores address of obj, then star of p is address of obj, and star and uh, reference variable gets cancelled. It eventually obj dot take works. So obj dot takes will, or by default, will give us the value of accessing the value of small a and displaying the value of small a. Or there is another way also. Second way is I can write p and then I use arrow operator. I can write take. That's also is possible. Guys, this is only possible if we write this statement, because p has got the address of obj, then it can access what obj can access. Else, this is not possible. This is known as pointer to object. We created a pointer variable that points to, instead of simple integer data types, it is pointing to the variable of class. So that's how it can access variables or data members or member functions. We can use using star pointer variable name dot take. This is known as pointer to object. If you like this video, kindly put like button. If you have doubt, please ask in comment section. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.